Are your Zoom hydraulic disc brakes not working? Do they do this and give you no stopping power? Well, that's a problem, and we're gonna help you solve it in this video. Let's get into it. So we're gonna cover three things. First, we're gonna talk about the kit you should buy, and we're not experts, so if we can do this, you can too. Then we're actually gonna bleed the brakes on this electric bike. And finally, we'll do a brake test. Let's check out the kit first. You wanna throw it to me? The Easy MTB bleed kit. How much was this?
20 bucks.
20 bucks to fix your hydraulic disc brakes. Bike shop's going to be a lot more than that. This kit comes with everything you need. So you've got your funnel with a hose, lots of different attachments, a syringe. I don't think we'll be needing that for this fix. And of course, your hydraulic oil for your Zoom hydraulic disc brakes, and also some tools, a very thorough kit. They even throw in some gloves. All right, let's get those brakes prepped to start the bleed. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to level the hydraulic lever. That's going to ensure we can get all those bubbles up, and then of course that it's level so no hydraulic fluid leaks out. I'm gonna be using my trusty Top Peak ratchet rocket, link down in the description, as well as a link to this bleed kit if you want to pick one up. And we are doing this on the Ride One Up Cafe Cruiser. Guess how much this bike is right now?
Maybe 1,500?
$10.95 this bike.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's a great deal. This is a underrated electric bike. And if you do decide to pick up an electric bike, we appreciate it if you use our links down in the description. That helps us out. We also have reviews of every Ride One Up model. All right, now this is level. We can undo this and we'll be able to get our funnel on here. So to remove this bolt right here, you actually need a T20, which might not be a part you have. So you'll want to make sure you have it for this. Fits in there. And we'll loosen this bolt up. Nice and easy. The ratchet wrench does make it easier though. All right, so what we're looking at here are the different selections depending on what hydraulic disc brake you have. These have the ends so you can connect the hose. And so what we did was we just threaded these on to make sure we have the one that fits. Gently screw on the one that fits. Don't want to over tighten it. These are plastic. All right, next you get your funnel and we attach the hose already. Put that on there. And if you're wondering what this is a little plunger that helps prevent the hydraulic fluid from going back in, at least when you're filling it up. And also the plunger, when you're taking it off, that helps it from spilling as well. All right, next step, we're going to fill it up with the mineral oil. And if you can see on this lever, it goes all the way to the handlebars, and we'll see if we can pump it a few times. And we should see a bunch of air bubbles coming up here. And this is going to bleed the brake, get more pressure in the system. And you're just gonna wanna keep doing this until, I can already tell it's getting firmer. And so the goal here is to get all those air bubbles out of here. And look, it's already going down. All right, we've been squeezing quite a bit just to make sure that's good to go, but check how much better this is. And you can just tell that these brakes are now going to actually work. And there's a couple bubbles coming through, but it's looking pretty clear. You can see a few small bubbles. My hands are getting tired. Next step, we're going to take the plunger and put it right in there to prevent a mess. All right, next step, this kit comes with an extra bottle, which is handy. So we're gonna try to salvage it. Unscrew the bottom. Again, just by hand.
Look at that.
There we go. So we'll remove the plunger now, and that'll drop the mineral oil into the extra container, and then you can combine it. Next, final step, for a good measure, we're going to use a little bit of that mineral oil and just top off to fill the spot where where the screw would be, and yep, got enough. We'll wipe this up just a little bit. And so this ensures that you have it completely full. We'll grab the screw and the T20, hand screw on that bolt. We're gonna screw back in the bolt, make sure the washer is still there. Just hand tighten to start. And we'll wipe it clean here. Yeah, let's check this out. And final step, once you have the mineral oil in there, we're just gonna loosen this back up, tilt the brake down to about where it was, torque it down to spec. All right, again, if we can do it, you can do it too. Nice work. Let's test out the brakes. All right, let's test out this rear brake. Oh yeah, I think we're good. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe. Check out all of our electric bike review videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.